but it's also going to be a very sad day. But nevertheless, we're going to be taking a road trip in the ls400. So I'm going to go clean it, vacuum it out, get it ready, and let's get it started. So we finally made it. We are 2.5 hours away from where we just started, and we're gonna be saying bye to the ls400. I've already handed the keys off, the title. I'm actually really sad about it, but I think it's for a good thing. I think it's time to move on to new things, and yeah, so let's say hi to the 86. Caden, how stoked are you?
Like, insanely happy. This is an 86. This is like the king of the mountain. This is the legend.
But yeah, so it is what it is. I'll see you guys on the road. Say bye, Caden.
Bye. Bye. That's sad.
So it's the next day. It got too dark for me to record last night, and I was also really tired. There's a lot of driving, but yeah, we're back. The 86 is here, and I'll kind of give you guys a little rundown on it. It's not exactly in the best condition. I got to do something with the brakes. Dude says there's nothing wrong with them. He deleted the brake booster. I don't know why he'd do that. So it's like, I'll press them as hard as I can, and it takes it a cool minute to even stop. So I don't know. Something to do with the drive shaft as well. It vibrates and makes a weird clunking noise. So I got to figure that out as well. But other than that, it's mainly all cosmetic. The engine, from what I can tell, it's pretty strong. I might need to do a valve adjustment because I can kind of hear them clicking in there. But other than that, it's just what you can expect from an old Toyota from '84. So yeah, I'll give you a couple shots of it, and that'll probably be it for this video. Go ahead and like, subscribe, leave me a dislike, if, tell me what I can do to improve, and turn your notifications on so you don't miss any of my videos. But yeah, guys, just keep following your dreams, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
me.